is August. No, wait.
September.
It's not August anymore. What day is it, Rebecca? Gosh. Rebecca pushed it into... Don't do that. That might go in reverse and we'd ruin the car here. Put that over there. Take that over there. Alright. Anyways. What day is it, Rebecca?
The 1st of September.
September 4th, 2012! You're rocking on! I'm just having a little fun here. We are on a road trip to San Diego. Oh, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Alright, thank you, Becca. I'm trying to look at my kids in the mirror. Oh, I did the fume zoom. Fume zoom. I am on our way to the beach. We are going here at sunset. You can see the nice,
Actually to a boat.
what?
Actually to a boat.
Apartment? You mean a motel?
Yeah. I keep doing that.
Gonna arrive here at the, sunset hour. Oh my gosh, what's that on the side of the road? That's pretty scary. That's like humongously scary. Let me over. This guy's like over wide load over here. He's a big tractor. Anyways, it's pretty thrilling.
Oh man.
You excited to go on a road trip, Rebecca?
We are on a road trip.
We are on a road trip. Aren't you excited to be on a road trip then? Yeah, I've done this at times. This is our mom's profession.
I'm just thinking about that math equations.
Yeah, you still got that in your head, huh? She is learning how to what are you doing? Planetary rotations.
Orbitation.
Rotations. The rotation is a
Planets distance from each other and parallaxes.
Parallaxes. Well, whatever you said. That coffee rockstar sure looks pretty good. I got myself a lemonade one. That's true, I already had a coffee one. Hey, don't be throwing stuff!
How long have you been doing that for?
I don't know, just a minute. Just wanted to show everybody what's going on here.
What are you going to show them to?
The world. Look at this. This is Chrysalin playing GameCube in the car. You see that? See Chrysalin? Just touching stuff? Yeah, I just show it to the world, you know? Put it on YouTube. Let anybody else who wants to see it sees it. I got a whole bunch of chronicles up there.
Huh? What?
Yeah, just me talking about stuff. Me doing things like, hey, how's it going? I'm gonna talk to you. Anyways, gets me kind of like, you know, in the mood to talk to myself, get myself externalized. Always so silent in my head all the time, so I just kind of, like right now, I'm just kind of filming the sunset.
I did it.
What'd you do?
I tried to box.
You bought Fox?
And I didn't die.
Good job.
Whoa! And there's another link in this. Well, and there was a big giant there's a big giant humongous floating donuts.
Let me see if I can get that going. I can't really see it. I'm trying to drive here. Spot road. I spot a road in a half a mile. It's right there. That's it.
Nice spot.
It's a nice little sunset. I don't think we need this air on as much anymore. Usually I only make these like 5-minute long, 10-minute long, depending on how entertaining it is. And watch the sun come out from behind this cloud. Boop, boop, boop. Look at that truck weighing station. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Look at this, this is be cool.
sun descends into the western horizon, the Earth rotates at approximately 1,300 or 13,000 kilometers per second. The sun is also moving throughout the galactic spiral of our Milky Way galaxy. And yet, everything seems so still. Do you still wonder why?
So explain your mathematical equation then. What are you trying to figure out? It's kind of bright. Sun coming up in my face like that. Ah! My thing fell. It's broken. It's dangerous. This thing's all broken up here.
Do you have a flashlight or a car light? You do.
I do. So yes, you can do homework at night.
I'm gonna try to get home.
You're gonna try again? When, right now?
Yeah, why not?
Alright, go ahead.
You're just talking to the camera anyways.
I'm trying to talk to you. You have a conversation. You're not really saying much.
On camera.
Hey, you want to go on a road trip, Becca? We are on a road trip. Well, aren't you excited about being on a road trip? I'm doing homework.
Sorry.
It's alright.
That's what happens when I get high.
You're not even high.
I know, it screws me for the day.
Oh, whatever, dude.
It just gives me no energy. I feel so up.
Really?
Because I eat so much.
It's the food.
That stuff probably screwed me too.
Yeah, I mean, that's how I feel. That's why I gotta get my insulin in me and then I gotta do stuff.
This is not cool. We should eat them.
I know, it's not exactly
Let's make a pack.
a pack. No more fast food on this road trip.
Ever.
Ever.
Again.
Ever again in like the rest of our
For
lives.
the rest of our lives.
Fast food is gone?
Fast food is gone.
Alright, here we have it on film. Fast food is gone for the rest of our lives. This is our pact. Really? Seriously? We're gonna do this? We're gonna do this right now. This is video logged of our dismissal of fast food. What if like when you go home and you make fast food like that in your lap? That's I would call that fast food too. That's half fast food. Half fast food. That's what I call that right there. She's all like, "Hey, before we go, we should make some banana pancakes. You want to do this?" And I'm like, "I don't want to do this. You can do this. We're gonna make some banana pancakes." She's like, "All right, let me jump on this." She spends 20 minutes making the first pancake. Right? That's what you told me. And then she's like, "No, you know what will be faster if I bake them." I was like, "Okay, I gotta go ahead and do this. Bake them." And she did. And by the time we left, she just had to throw it all in the bowl.
It's funny, I put the bowl in there where the camera is.
And she said, they weren't ready. So there's like a blob of dough in there. Banana pancake mix.
Oh no, I had to go.
So no more half fast food and fast food. Alright, Becca, we're packing this right here. Pinky pack. Do it. Oh, that was a half pack pinky peek. There we go, right there. Oh, rah, we did it. No more fast food. I don't know how long that's gonna last.
A long time.
A very long time. Alright, rest of our lives. No more fast food. I got it. Every time I think of a fast food joint, I'm gonna be like, oh no, that one time I got it on a YouTube video. It's you know what I mean. Like a parked train over there.
This makes sense. If I had just read this, I probably would have understood this a lot better. Look at my planner next time. I still have more reading to do. 3.4.
my floor now. That's alright. It's alright.
No, it's not. It's
good.
closed.
It's good. It's closed. So, based on Rebecca's mathematical equation, can you tell us how long it's going to take for the sun to set behind those mountains?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. It's a nice big. I like that. That's a nice big sun. I can see it. It's like rounded. It's so perfect in my eyes. You know, I really shouldn't stare at the sun, but I've been doing it my whole life. And now I can look at it without turning away. Such a big, beautiful ball of fire and life. This energy just coming at us. Oh my gosh, just want to go up to it and give it a big squeeze. Oh yeah. There goes the sun. The sun. At least it went out with the Wiener Schnitzel. I can do that. Last time I had fast food was Wiener Schnitzel. That's what I'll tell people. And I say, I schnitzel my wiener. They're like, what? And I'm like, let's just keep that to myself. 5 minutes. Huh? I think it's going to be gone in about 2 to 3 minutes. And then our video cast shall be over. Oh, hello, how are you? Oh, I can see you in there. Yes, very good. See, I bet my dad would have loved to have been able to camera himself like this inside of a car, but he had those big old things, not some simple tiny device that he could just hold in the palm of his hand. Dateland. We are passing Dateland. I wonder if everybody here goes on dates all the time. So this is Dateland. This is what we do. We date. That's why we call it. Or is it more the fruit? Probably more the fruit than dates. I wonder if they specialize in growing dates. Either way, it's Dateland. Here and gone. The blink of an eye. There goes the sun, do-do-do-do. There goes the sun, and I said, hey, it's been a good time. Do you see it hiding behind those mountains all over there? It's going to hide on the other side of the world to collide. Wow, wow, wow. Am I interrupting your studying, Rebecca? San Diego, 242 miles. We shall arrive there in less than 4 hours. 4 hours is the time given to us. And it is 6:56. So we'll be arriving there about 10 o'clock. Plus 75 plus 75 is 1, 2, 25. 2:25. 3 hours. Meaning 20 miles. There goes it, and it's going, and goodbye. 2012. I keep saying it all different, like. Because it's 2012, you know, people are excited. You still playing your game? What? Yep. Having fun? Cronus, leave it going. You got your controller there if you want to join in. And we shall end this video with the 7 o'clock on the dot. Let's find out if it does it. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, snap. Pow. Oh, just a few seconds off, aren't we? That's alright. Quite alright. It's so interesting that the camera only picks up so much color. When out here, it's like the whole sky is red. I can't even call that red. That's like a golden red.
There's another, hey,
Pinkish.
you know what?
Greenish.
There's another Zelda. There's another Zelda. I'm a blue one and she's a pink one. There's another Zelda, Daddy.
I should probably left my lights on.
Daddy, look it. There's another Zelda.
Another Zelda? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? I don't see it.
Put it closer.
Getting closer, closer. Right good, right good. Do you see it?
Yep.
That's cool. Alright, logging off 7 o'clock. There it is. 7 o'clock. See you on tomorrow. Or tonight. Whatever happens. We'll find out. Enjoy yourselves. Have a great day. Alright, I think, yeah, here we go. We're filming. Finally. Gosh, took us forever. What do you want me to do? I'm not carrying you. This is all about being your own self right now. On the beach. Dogs. We're at the dog beach. Come on, Chris. Let's take it to the water. Kristen, come over here. We here are September 2nd, I believe. September 2nd? I'm going to guess it's on September 2nd. I'm not really quite sure. I lost track of the days a couple days ago. And we're at the Ocean Beach, Dog Beach, Ocean Dog Beach. With Cronus, Bucket, and Neo Man Bandist, and Rebecca and Hazel, Calissa's dog, Chrislyn Goose Egg. And myself, of course, Christopher. How am I gonna do this? Very carefully, obviously. Come on. Anyway, welcome to the beach. Oh man, it took me a year and some days to get here. I told these kids last year I would take them to the beach. And I'm finally doing it. Aren't you so excited? So excited you are. Yeah, it's a pretty gorgeous day out. Gonna make our way to the water. I didn't even bring sandals. That's how spontaneous this was. Come on, son, we're almost there. Is Kristen gonna go into it? Hurry, run! Run! Chrislyn, look, this is what I learned on PBS. Take your shoes off.
What?
Take your shoes off. Stop. Put your shoes on there. You put your shoes on the beach towel.
Can I go swimming?
Uh-huh. Go ahead.
Take off your clothes. Where's your swimsuit?
Where's your swimsuit at? I think that is her swimsuit. That is her swimsuit.
That's her swimsuit. Pants. Go ahead.
Go ahead, Chrislyn.
Run it.
Careful not to go too far. Cronus! Are you coming? Okay.
Me. Daddy, come at me.
What's going on, Hayes? Huh? Oh. Sorry.
Come on, Croner. What do you think about this? Oh, that's cold water. That's refreshing. Cronus! Come on! It's cold! Whoa! There's a wave! Well, probably end it here so that way I don't I hope that got it. I don't know though. Alright. Now that you guys had a lot of fun with my kids, now it's my turn to have fun with my kids. I'll talk to you later. In time? Enjoy the water? Are you tired? Can you say water?
Boop boop.
Water.
You need water too, huh?
Can you say fun?
Go go.
Here. This is.
Can you do me a favor?
Huh.
There should be a plastic cup in the back trunk. Caught it?
Where?
Under, probably.
We drink all that other water.
I don't see it. I don't see it in a plastic bag. Nope.
We drink all that other water.
I don't see it, Rebecca. I need a plastic cup for. I have a plastic water bottle right there in front of you.
Need one for her.
Oh. Oh, it's not water. It's like sport water.
Hot water.
We'll have fun, okay? Kristen wants to go play some more.
Because I had that.
Bye.
Bye. Come on, let's go.
Alright, hold on. Hello! Say hi, Cronus. Hi. Drinking your vitamin zero. Vitamin water. I wonder if you guys can hear me out of all this. Alright, let's try this again. Thank you, son. I was saying, I wonder if you guys can all hear me over the sound of the waves and the wind and all the screaming and the yelling and the having fun and everybody else enjoying themselves. Here's Kristen coming back with her collection of seaweed. She's going out to the ocean and she continues to pick up seaweed and come over here and pick it up, drop it off, pick it up, drop it off. Anyways, this is the Cronus banditito out there having a good time. Here she is, back with more seaweed. Look at the seagulls. Seagulls. I see girls. I mean girls. Like seagulls. 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 Cronus has been in the water a couple times, but he likes just kind of going up to it and then running away from it. I'm not sure if that's really quite everything he's willing to get done over here. I, on the other hand, developed a nice little, I call this a tan, but at least a little burn, and then I put some sunscreen on. I enjoy a nice little sunburn every once in a while. Decided to go back to the car and get this little camera thing so I can remember this more than I will on the way back. That's cold! Cold! Cronus! Cold! Cronus! It's cold! Anyways, I made it out here. Quite dare I say effortlessly? You know, looking back and I'm actually here, it doesn't really seem like there was much effort, but that isn't the case. Krislin's out there playing with her new friend. Sure is a lot of people on the beach. Lots of people indeed. It's pretty interesting though, you know, what it takes. Pretty nice. To be here with somebody. These kids are great. But I still feel all by myself. Don't wanna be all by myself anymore. What's your sister doing, Cronus? You have no idea? Just a big pile of seaweed? Yep, she's collecting all the maggots. Or whatever those things are. Hey, Krislin!
What?
Can you move your pile of seaweed somewhere else?
Why?
Look at all these flies that are flying around in there. Okay? It's like right next to me.
No.
Mr. Cronus Tito Bandis Man. How are you? Are you enjoying yourself at the beach, son? It really wouldn't be so hard if I could just get her off my mind for a minute. But it's a lot easier for her to get me off my mind. Especially being with somebody else already, so sudden. Ugh. I'm so bolted with emotion. This is what Cronus does. He just sits there and watches the crowd. While Caristlyn goes around and collects her seaweed. What interesting kind of kids I have. Of course, they think this is a great opportunity to advertise things. Everybody's sitting on the beach and being like, oh yeah, that's the first thing I want to do when I get home is go buy some money. Let's be friends. Facebook and Twitter. Oi. Those social networks. I could have been on that roller coaster. But I didn't. And perhaps why I am where I'm at today. What you doing? You want to sit down with me? Sit down. No? Yeah, you do got a lot of seaweed.
I'm cleaning up.
You're cleaning up the ocean, are you? Well, that's a good 9-minute and a half video. Hey, look at that guy's sign over there. It fell off. That's interesting. Alright. Well, I'll be signing off too. That's hilarious. See you soon, Lee. Then later. Say bye, Cronus. PM and are my glasses in the thing in there? Where are they? Anyways,
probably understand.
No. Where did it go? Oh, I'm on my way out of San Diego. And, I am not feeling all that well.
Sorry, Eagle. What happened?
Just to say get high. Are you ready? I don't know what I'm saying. I just keep putting this thing on as if it's gonna do something for me. Kinda does. Let's see it. Graceland Knight Pollard, you can share that water. That is everybody's water in the car. Stop hogging all the water. Graceland, he's not faking it. He's mad at you for not sharing the water with him. Now give him some water. Did you have fun at the beach today? Why did you have fun at the beach today? I can't hear you. What'd you say? What was fun about it?
The water.
The water?
Huh?
What about the water? What kind of friend? The one with the pink dress? Why didn't you wear your swimsuit today? Here, let me have some water, please.
That's it.
Did you get your friend's name?
What?
So did you get your friend's name? Why not? Well, did you ask? Seems like you have a bad habit of not asking for people's names. Don't you want to know people's names when you play with them and have fun with them and all that kind of good stuff? No? Doesn't matter? They're just a flyby friend, are they? I can't hear you talking in your hair like that.
I do really want them to play with me.
Well, you gotta ask them their names, otherwise how are you gonna address them? You're not gonna be like, hey friend! Or hey you! Is that what I should call you from now on? Should I just say hey you? Don't you have a name? What's your name? What is it?
Well, I can't have a friend's name was my name.
Well, that's a good start. You should say, hey, my name is Chrislyn. What's your name?
Maybe my name is Minna.
And then everybody will be like, well, my name is, Joe Bob. Everybody's slowing down all of a sudden.
What?
Because it's next to the cop.
But like,
Can I place him?
There's one cop.
Can we
Like
take
it
a
is another.
stop?
what's the speed limit?
Daddy, can we take a stop?
Yes, we can take a stop, but not until we reach Yuma. Cronus, did you have fun today?
Yes. Yes.
Yes? What'd you do today? Did you play in the water? Can you say water? Very good.
Good sound.
Sound like Kristen saying waller.
Water. It sounds like a water.
You guys enjoy yourselves?
Yeah.
Is that enough beach for your life? Now you don't have to ever go to the beach again in your whole life, right?
I want to go to the beach again.
Again? What?
That's my,
I thought that was it.
well, that was my second time I did it.
What?
That was my second time I did it.
You been to the beach before? When was your first time? What? You went there when you were a little baby? No, I don't think so. Yeah, it is your very first time, and it's Cronus' very first time too, and it's Daddy's very first time taking you kids to the beach. No, Becca's is like umpteenth time. She's not even moved by it. She's like, hey, I'm gonna go to the beach and do some homework. That's a good spot to just do some homework, is go to the beach. Some people go to the coffee shop. Becca, she goes to the beach. So how was your homework trip, Rebecca?
Good. Got a lot done.
That's good. Did you do more today than you did if you were at home?
No.
You did less more?
Yeah, because I don't have a computer.
Oh, you don't have no computer. That's why you're going to buy an iPad, huh?
No, I'm not going to buy an iPad.
I bet if you would have bought an iPad, you probably wouldn't have done any homework.
Probably would have done what?
You probably wouldn't have done any homework.
Probably not.
You probably would have been playing on it the whole time. How does this thing get on Wi-Fi? You'd be walking around everywhere trying to get on Wi-Fi. Well, it's funny. We're arriving in Yuma the same time that we arrived in Yuma last night. Right after sunset. And then we're going to go another 4 more hours home. 3 early. Well, I don't know. 300 miles, 250 miles.
230 after this. After passing you.
Well, I'm glad I got to take you guys to the park. Or the beach, I mean. Something different.
Yes, very nice.
Huh?
I said yes, very nice.
Very, very enjoyable. My face red?
Yeah.
That hurts. It feels like it's red. Not that I know what Botox feels like, but I can imagine. My skin feels all stretched. And like, no, not stretched, but like, you know what I mean. Cooked. Very cooked. I use sunscreen too, just not at the right time. Too little, too late. Isn't that the story of my life? Alright, well, you guys are a bunch of weirdos now. And signing off.